Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, my name is Sushri Das and today I am here to discuss about how to obtain a BIS for digital cameras in India. Firstly, let's discuss a bit about the market analysis of digital cameras in India. The photography industry is changing rapidly with digital technology being widely adopted. Digital cameras are replacing traditional roll-based analog cameras. They are making inroads to both consumer and professional segments of Indian photography market. The Indian digital camera market annual shipments has reached to 1.99 million units. Nikon continues to dominate the overall market, followed by Canon in DSLRs, whereas Sony is still in a point and shoot segment. Revenue in the digital camera segments amounts to approximately 1.18 billion US dollars in 2022. The market is expected to grow annually by 5.15% CAGR 2022 to 2027. Now let's focus on BIS. The BIS, which is short for Bureau of Indian Standards, is a national standard body of India constituted under the BIS Act 2016. BIS was introduced for the harmonious development of marking, standardization, quality certification of products and for incidental or connected matters. In India, the BIS grants BIS certifications to provide customers with a third-party guarantee of product quality, safety and reliability. The primary objective of BIS certificate is to increase the customer's trust and confidence in the product, safeguard consumers from hazardous products, provide quality assurance and protect customers' health. The manufacturers of electronic goods and products are directed to obtain their BIS certificate as listed under the CRS, which is short for Compulsory Registration Scheme. In 2012, MeitY, which is short for Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, passed an order stating that an individual or company cannot manufacture, import or distribute or sell the product without conforming to the Indian standards set by BIS. Now arises the question, what is the applicability of BIS in digital cameras? A digital camera includes several parts such as focal point, body shell, viewfinder, LCD screen and much more. All digital cameras have been included in the BIS CRS registration schemes under IS standard IS 13252 Part 1. Digital cameras cannot be imported, exported or sold in the Indian market without being registered under BIS CRS. The purpose of the BIS standards for digital cameras to be met is that the BIS certificate must be issued, which is basically a mark issued that provides proof for safety and conformity of the product being safe and reliable and is of higher quality. To gain information in regard to different forms needed along with the documents required for BIS CRS registration of digital cameras, check out our blog published in Corpbiz. Coming back to our video, now let's discuss about the benefits of obtaining a BIS digital camera. The benefits are listed as follows. 1. Providing easy market access for digital cameras and ensuring reliability and safety of the product. 2. The BIS CRS certificate will also indicate that the digital camera being sold to the customers has been tested in a BIS approved laboratory, resulting in the growth of consumer confidence and trust of the product. Third, the digital camera has an assurance to be of higher quality, giving the producing and distributing company an edge in terms of market competitiveness. 4. There is a higher chance of more comprehensive market coverage by providing a guarantee of assurance, quality and safety of the product. Now let's talk about the procedure of obtaining a BIS for digital cameras. Following are the steps which will help you obtain a BIS for digital cameras. Step 1. A manufacturer profile must be created with the BIS portal, which can be done both offline and online. Step 2. The product must be tested in a BIS approved laboratory and only upon successful testing of the digital camera, the test report is to be issued from the BIS approved laboratory. Step 3. After the successful conduction of the testing of the product samples, the BIS approved laboratory directly submits the test report of the product sample to the BIS under the created profile of the manufacturer. Step 4. In case of foreign manufacturers, the applicant has to nominate an authorized Indian representative, which is also called AIRs, If the applicant is from India, they must submit all the required documents under Form A or Form B, whereas in case of the applicant being a foreign manufacturer, they need to submit their documents under Form C. Step 5. The applicant is required to submit the application form, submit all the vital documents and pay the applicable fee. Step 6. If all the set Indian standards according to BIS standards for digital cameras are met, the BIS certification is issued for the applicant. Finally, let's talk about the validity of the BIS certification. The BIS certification is valid for 2 years and is eligible for renewal. The department seeks a few additional documents and an application fees for this purpose, which is to be set by BIS. On-site inspections of BIS laboratory testings is not required for renewal of BIS certification. So that concludes our video on the analysis of how to obtain BIS for digital cameras in India. For more such information and queries that you may have, contact Corpbiz from the details provided below. At Corpbiz, we have an excellent team of experts who can assist you regarding various BIS registrations. You can also comment down below any of the queries that you may have. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.